સંધાન ઓલ ગુજરાત ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ક્લાસરૂમ
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
Good afternoon. Today we will see some topics in complex analysis. My name is Professor Bhavin M. Patel, Government Science College, Gandhinagar. So, first of all, we will see what is complex number. The set of complex number C is defined in this way. So, x plus iy such that x belongs to R, y belongs to R and I equal to under root minus 1. If z equal to x plus iy, then x is said to be a real part of z and y is said to be imaginary part of z. તો પહેલાં જોઈએ તો કોમ્પ્લેક્સ નંબર એ શું છે, બરાબર છે, તેને એની જરૂરિયાત શું કામ ઊભી થઈ. તો આપણે ટેલિટોપથી એક સમીકરણ લખું છું અહીંયા. ધારો કે એક દ્વિઘાત સમીકરણ લઈએ, એક્સ સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 1 ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. તો આ સમીકરણનો આપણે વિવેચક મેળવીએ ડેલ્ટા. ડેલ્ટા એટલે બી સ્ક્વેર માઇનસ 4ac. તો આના બરાબર બી અહીંયા તો 0 છે, આને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઇક્વેશન જોડે કમ્પેર કરીએ એક્સ સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ બી એક્સ પ્લસ સી ઇક્વલ ટુ 0 સાથે. તો બી ઇઝ 0 minus 4, a is 1 and c is also 1. So we will get minus 4 which is less than 0. So this quadratic equation does not have any real root. So there is no x in R and the root of this equation will belong into C. And that's why the set of complex number is useful. Now see this one. I is not variable, it is symbol for a specific number and I square equal to minus 1. Suppose we want to find what is under root of minus 4, then minus 1 is equal to I square, so we will get 2i. Suppose we want to obtain under root minus 16, then it will be 4i. Now હવે તમને જ્યારે નંબર સિસ્ટમ કોઈ પણ નવો સેટનો સ્ટડી કરતા હોઈએ તો એની અંદર કોઈ પણ એ સેટના બે એલિમેન્ટ લઈએ તો હાઉ ટુ ડિફાઇન એડિશન ઇન ધેટ પર્ટિક્યુલર સેટ. તો હવે એ વસ્તુ છે, ધારો કે આપણે જોઈએ સ્ક્રીન ઉપર z1 ઇક્વલ ટુ સપોઝ x1 પ્લસ iy1 આપ્યું છે, z2 ઇઝ ગિવન and it is equal to x2 plus iy2, then how to define z1 plus z2? So z1 plus z2 is nothing but x1 plus x2, that is sum of real parts plus I into sum of imaginary parts. How to define z1 minus z2? It is defined like this: x1 minus x2 plus I into y1 minus y2, z1 into z2. That is how to define the product of two complex number. It is x1 x2 minus y1 y2 plus I into x1 y2 plus x2 y1. That is z1 into z2 is nothing but z1 into z2. z1 we know x1 plus iy1, z2 is x2 plus iy2. Now if we multiply x1 with this number x1 x2 plus I x1 y2 plus I x2 y1 plus I square y1 y2. Now we know that I square equal to minus 1 in the complex number system. So we will get x1 x2 minus y1 y2. Now take I common from this two term. So we will get x1 y2 plus x2 y1. So this is the way we have defined product of two complex number. Now see on the screen how to define division of two complex number, that is z1 upon z2. z1 upon z2 is defined in this way: x1 x2 plus y1 y2 upon x2 square plus y2 square plus I into x2 y1 minus x1 y2 upon x2 square plus y2 square. Now we will see in TallyTop that z1 upon z2 is equal to z1, that means x1 plus iy1, z2 is given by x2 plus iy2. Now we multiply this in numerator and denominator by this number x2 minus iy2 divided by x2 minus iy2. So we will get x1 x2 plus minus I x1 y2 plus I x2 y1 minus I square y1 y2 upon, this is nothing but x2 square minus I square y2 square. Now I square is equal to minus 1, so we will get x1 x2 I square equal to minus 1, so plus y1 y2. Now take I common, x2 y1 minus x1 y2 upon I square is equal to minus 1, so this is x2 square plus y2 square. So this is exactly equal to, see on this screen, x1 x2 plus y1 y2 upon x2 square plus y2 square plus I y1 x2 minus x1 y2 upon x2 square plus y2 square. Now suppose, see the example, express 3 plus 7i upon 2 plus 5i in its standard form. Standard form of complex number means in x plus iy form. So now we want to express this complex number in its standard form, 3 plus 7i upon 2 plus 5i. હવે આને આપણે x પ્લસ આઈવાયના ફોર્મમાં જોઈએ છે, તો મલ્ટીપ્લાય એન્ડ ડિવાઈડ બાય 2 minus 5i. So this is exactly equal to, in denominator, 4 minus I square into 25, 3 to just, this is 6 minus 15i plus 14i minus 35 I square. Okay, so this is exactly equal to 6 plus 35 plus I into 14 minus 15, that is minus 1, upon 4 plus 25. So this is equal to 41 minus I upon 29. So this is the standard form, that is 41 upon 29 minus I upon 29. So real part of this complex number is 41 by 29 and imaginary part is minus 1 upon 29. Now see on the PPT, find the real part of this complex number 1 minus z at 7 plus 2i. So we have given this complex number 1 upon 1 minus z and at 7 plus 2i. So let me take z equal to x plus iy first. So we will get 1 upon 1 minus x plus iy. So this is exactly equal to 1 upon 1 minus x minus iy. Now multiply and divide by this complex number 1 minus x plus iy upon 1 minus x plus iy. So we will get 1 minus x plus iy divided by 1 minus x whole square plus y square, and we want to obtain this at 7 plus 2i, that is x equal to, this is your x and this is your y, x equal to 7 and y equal to 2. So we will get 1 minus 7 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 7 square plus 2 square, that is 4. So this is nothing but 1 minus 7, that is minus 6 plus 2i upon, this is minus 6 square, 36 plus 4, that is 40. So this is the required complex number. Now see on the screen, express minus 6 plus 2i upon 1 minus 8i whole square in standard form. In this way we can solve this example also. So now there are some results. Prove that real part of iz equal to minus imaginary part of z. See on real part of iz, we want to prove this. Real part of iz, this is equal to what? This is our claim. Real part of iz is equal to minus imaginary part of z. This is very important result. Proof is very simple, but important એટલા માટે છે કે ઇનર પ્રોડક્ટ સ્પેસ જ્યારે લિનિયર એલ્જિબ્રાની અંદર આવશે ત્યારે આનો ઉપયોગ કરવાનો થશે. હવે અહીંયાથી શરૂ કરીએ. લેટ z ઇક્વલ ટુ x પ્લસ iy, then real part of I z equal to real part of I into x plus iy. So this is exactly equal to real part of ix. I square is minus 1, so this is minus y. This is nothing but minus y, real part of this complex number, and this is minus y is nothing but imaginary part of z. So we have arrived at real part of iz is equal to minus imaginary part of z. Now see on screen, imaginary part of iz is equal to real part of z. So let us see this one also. Imaginary part of iz is equal to imaginary part of I into, now put value of z. Z is nothing but x plus iy. So this is exactly equal to imaginary part of ix minus I square is minus 1. So this is minus y, and imaginary part of this complex number is given by minus y. So this is plus x, imaginary part of this complex number, and this is nothing but real part of z. So imaginary part of z is nothing but, imaginary part of iz is nothing but real part of z. So see this example. Let z equal to a plus ib be given complex number. Determine what is real part of z square minus iz plus 1, and what is imaginary part of z square minus iz plus 1. So we have given z equal to a plus ib, and we want to determine real part of this complex number, z square minus iz plus 1. Now put the value of z. Z is nothing but a plus ib whole square minus I into a plus ib plus 1. So this is exactly equal to a plus ib square, that is a square. I square equal to minus 1 થાય છે એ આપણે મગજમાં રાખીશું દરેક વખતે. એટલે અહીંયા હું જોડે લખું છું a square minus b square plus 2i ab minus ia. I square equal to minus 1 થાય છે એટલે આ plus b અને આ plus 1. હવે રિયલ અને ઇમેજનરી પાર્ટ જોડે લખીએ એટલે a square minus b square plus 1 plus b. Now take I common from this 2, so we will get 2ab minus a. Therefore real part of z square minus iz plus 1, this complex number, is equal to a square minus b square plus b plus 1, and imaginary part of the same complex number is given by 2ab minus a. એનો રિયલ અને ઇમેજનરી પાર્ટ આવશે. પછી જુઓ સ્ક્રીન ઉપર જુઓ, આપણે પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે z પ્લસ 1 સ્ક્વેર ઇક્વલ ટુ z સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 2z પ્લસ 1. હવે અહીંયા z ની જગ્યાએ ધારો કે આપણે રિયલ વેરિયેબલ લઈએ x, તો x પ્લસ 1 સ્ક્વેર એના બરાબર આપણી જોડે એક્સપાન્શન છે x સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 2x પ્લસ 1. તો આની આ વસ્તુ કોમ્પ્લેક્સ નંબર સિસ્ટમમાં સાચી છે. હવે સેટ બદલી જાય છે, આરની જગ્યાએ સી થઈ જાય છે, એટલે કે આપણે એની સાબિતી આપવી પડે. એટલે લેટ અસ સી હાઉ ટુ પ્રૂવ z plus 1 square equal to 2z square plus 2z plus 1. Suppose z equal to x plus iy. So this is plus 1 square. So this is exactly equal to, this is something like this, a plus b plus c whole square. So x square plus I square y square, that is I square equal to minus 1. So this is minus y square plus 1 plus 2ixy plus 2iy plus 2x. So now this is exactly equal to, now we want to prove this thing. This is exactly equal to something like this, z square plus 2z plus 1. આવું કંઈક આપણે પ્રૂવ કરવું છે. તો હવે જો z સ્ક્વેર એટલે x પ્લસ આઈ વાય સ્ક્વેર, એટલે અહીંયા એક્સ સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 2i xy plus I square y square. I square is minus 1, so we will get minus y square term. So we have settled this term, these three terms. Now take 2 common from this two number. So take 2 common, so we will get x plus iy and just put here 1. So this is nothing but x plus iy whole square plus 2 times x plus iy plus 1. And now they put the value of z. X plus iy is nothing but z, so we will have z square plus 2z plus 1. Now see on the slide,